Welcome back everyone, and hope y'all having a wonderful day. Now we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. Now this is just a thinkorswim setup video to kind of demonstrate how I trade the simple way as possible. So just to illustrate, this is how I would be trading. Let's say I was wanting to do a put. I'll be doing a 365 strike put. All I have to do is click the ask right here. It will populate this strike price in my order entries. It's green, so I know I'm buying. And all I have to do is once I'm ready to buy, once I see the price I like, click confirm is in. Okay, we bought at 94. Price is at 87 now. So if I want to reverse this trade, all I have to do is click the bid here. Populates. Now all I have to do is click confirm it's in and get out of this trade whenever I'm ready, which is now. And now we're out of that trade. In at 94 out of 88. Okay. So I'm going to show y'all how to set up your thinkorswim to be efficient like that on entering and exiting trades. So what I want to do is reset the default. Okay, and this is what a default setting looks like. Okay, so now what we'll do, first thing we'll do is go ahead and click this little tab, so collapse that and go to our trading tab. Now all products should be highlighted, and right here under this is where you click here and add your symbol. We'll put SPY because that's what I trade. If you trade something else, obviously type that in. The next thing we want to do is kind of dwindle the amount of expiration dates that we do see. So filter, click filter, go down here to dates to expiration, highlight that. Minimum days we'll do 0. Maximum days I do 8. You can choose how many days you want. If you want to see more strikes, cool. If not, you can follow my lead. And now what we have is fewer, and now our view is a little cleaner. Okay, now we'll look at the December 2nd expiration dates, and we want to see more expiration dates than 4, so we'll increase our strikes number to 14. And now we got a pretty good range of in the monies, both puts and calls. So next thing you want to do is go to your layout, because we got a couple values in here that we don't use: net change, last X. So we want to get rid of those. All we want is bid, ask, and then we will add delta and volume. So customize under layout, and we'll go ahead and remove these. And all we have to do is find delta, nice, and volume, nice. Okay. Next thing the next thing we have. So now we got our delta, volume, our bid and ask column, and now we're good with that. Next thing we want to do is go. We don't use the trade grid or the product depth. So what we'll do is go up here to this gear, right here at the top right, and just uncheck trade grid and product depth. Nice. Next thing we want to do is click our eject button down here and pull up both order entry and order book, and go over here to your right and click the little pin here so that this whole area stays up for you, and that'll make it a little simpler for you to see your orders working, filled or not, and see what you got filled at. And once we enter a trade, you'll see the positions tab come up about in this area here. Okay, next thing we want to do is go down here to orders. Instead of all, we just want to see fields plus working, and I'll show you why once we put in an order. One more thing we want to do, well, I think we have 2 more things. Go back up to the top right, setup, application settings, and help you with a couple settings. First, you want to go to orders, Now you want to make sure show order confirmation is not checked, and auto send with shift click is checked, and clear order after sending is checked. Next, go down to system. If you want to go to system, go to quote speed, real time. You want to make sure that's real time, because why would you want any delayed quotes? And one more thing, go to order defaults under options, and now you can change your default order number of contracts to whatever you want. We'll just keep ours at 8, but change yours to 1 if you're practicing, or 10 or 100 if you're balling, whatever you're doing. And I definitely recommend for all beginners to go ahead and change the order default type to market orders. And you don't want to live trade with market orders, but as you're practicing, just getting used to the platform, definitely market orders will help you get comfortable with where everything is located on your platform. Okay. Now apply the settings. Nice. And now we're all good. One more thing we're going to do. Now we're going to say we're going to do another put. Say 365 strike put. Let's click. I'll click the ask. Remember, we buy at the ask and sell at the bid. So I will click the ask price. This will be populated into my order entry. Ready to get in the trade. Click enter the trade. You can see it's filled here. So you can see I have eight contracts at 119. So I want to repopulate to sell. So all I do is click the bid. It's populated red. That lets me know I'm selling. And once I'm ready to sell, all I do is click confirm and send. Let's say I'm scared it's going to fall. Bids at 118. Let's send it. Nice. So we got filled at 119. As you can see right here, we green, we bought at 119. Red, we sold at 119. And the only other thing you need to check is if you have different values shown in your positions tab. Now, I reset mine, but this one didn't reset. You really only need the quantity, trade price that you entered at, and bid and ask price. So if those need to change, same process as earlier. Just click the gear right here and remove everything in the current set that you don't want to see. And then you could just search right here for quantity, trade price, bid and ask, and just add them there, and then they will show. Okay? All right, and that is our Thinkorswim setup. Thank y'all for tuning in, and hope this was very helpful for you. Happy trades, and may the trades be forever in your favor.
Thank you.
All right.
At Micro Moment Trading, we teach you how to profit from stock market volatility. Our typical trade is 60 seconds or less and back to cash with an average return of 3% per trade. All of our instructors are former clients who learn the techniques the same way you will by attending daily webinars and watching how it's done live in the market. Sign up for our free 2-week trial and you'll gain access to our daily live in the market trading sessions. That's Monday through Friday from 9:20 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. You'll follow along as our instructors use their own money to trade with our proprietary intraday streaming charts. And you'll learn how our rules-based system leads to consistent trading success. Best of all, you'll be able to ask questions during the sessions. What have you got to lose? Sign up now to receive your free 2-week trial.